Today we are going to be talking about Salesforce, but first I'm going to talk about our sponsor, which is Ground Floor. It's a real estate investment platform that I've been using for a couple years now, and I really enjoy it. It's been giving me pretty good returns. This is not investment advice, but I do enjoy using this platform, and they have a couple different methods for you to invest in real estate. One of my favorite new methods is their automated diversified investment vehicle, and that does basically all of the selecting of the different projects for you. And it, for me, did a little better than I was doing choosing them myself. So I've just been going with that recently. If you use this link, which should be in the comments or somewhere on the channel, you will also get a additional $50 credit when you sign up with $100. And I think you can put in as little as $10 into an individual project. So you could invest into 10 different projects with $100, but if you get the 50 extra, you could invest in 15 projects. So go check that out. But let's talk about Salesforce. So what is Salesforce? Salesforce is a cloud-based software company, and it's the #1 AI CRM. So AI is the new thing they've been really pushing, but CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. So what is cloud-based software? What is customer relationship management? So back in the day, say maybe in the 80s, 90s, even early 2000s, companies sold software either off the shelf, where you had somebody come and install software in your computers, or they built you custom software that they would bring and install in your office on your computers. That was very expensive, costing hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars for custom software. Well, everything's on the cloud now, and with Salesforce, they have custom built software that you can use, but also you can customize the software for the cloud service that they provide. So the CRM is your customer relationship management. In my mind, it's just a big database, and then they have a front end of a web application that you can use to interact with it. So the database is important because you want to put your customer information on there and be able to interact with it. And one of the really great features about it is all your different teams can use it, and you can run reports and get a lot of data analytics on your data using this platform. So they offer quite a few products. They have their agent force. This is very, very popular. Their data cloud, which is a database on the cloud. They have AI and trust layer. I hear a lot of what they're talking about now is AI, and then the second thing they always talk about is data security, because you want to have secure customer data. And then agent force with AI and low code. So low code, you can build custom applications with a coding language, but there's also a lot of low or no code options here where you can use a graphical user interface to build out a solution. So agents is kind of their new thing they're pushing, AI agents. AI that can actually take action. So if you have a customer support call and the customer wants to return something, that AI agent will actually be able to hopefully resolve that customer's issue and issue the return for them. So they have a sales platform. Artificial intelligence is the big new thing they're pushing. They're big with sales, also the service for different businesses, and marketing. Marketing is something I'm doing a lot more research on recently. Commerce as well, Tableau is for their data analytics. And they have a lot of other things they offer here. Slack, if you're familiar with that, as a messaging service. And I've been really interested in their new small business offerings. I think Salesforce could really boost productivity in a lot of small businesses. And they work with a lot of different industries, as you can see. A lot of big companies use Salesforce. I know we use it at work, and there's a lot you can do with it. And there's a lot of people who haven't done the migration over to Salesforce yet, so they still have a lot of growth potential ahead of them. But this is Salesforce kind of high level overview. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you on that. But we are going to go further in depth into Salesforce over the next few videos. And remember, check out groundfloor.com. The link should be somewhere in the comments. And that's it for today.